Hey folks, this is Marcel from Pyrodigital, and today I give you a quick introduction on our new Falcon wireless base. Hello, welcome to this quick overview of the WBE Falcon wireless base from Pyrodigital. With the device there comes a charger, there comes of course an antenna, and of course key switches. So the antenna should always be connected when you turn on the device because it has very strong RF power, and it could harm the device if you operate it without the antenna connected, because the energy would just be reflected back to the device. Also make sure the next Falcon wireless base, if you operate them, is at least 1 meter apart, so the RF power from one device will not harm the RF input of the other device. All right, we have one on-off switch, we have a PD input, we have an external supply, which you can use if you want to connect the device to AC to DC power. And you can actually, with this one, you can use the device infinitely. If you have the mode in internal battery, the standby time is around 46 hours. Here is the connector for the charger. The charger is only charging, so the battery is only connected when the device is turned off. If you turn on the device, the batteries get disconnected to prevent overcharging. Then we have here a field that we later need in master mode that actually allows you to check the other spaces that you have set to be slave. Then this is just the control menu or control buttons. Then we have here the mode switch where you can select what mode the device is operating on. Here we can lock all the keys. This is just an information that tells you what all these icons up here are meaning. And here is an on-off on master arm switch. You can have that on enabled. Then the PD output here can be operated. If you have it like that, then there cannot be power on the output at all. So this is really your master arm, and the operator can take off that key on any position, which is quite handy if you want to leave in trussing. Also on the device we now have those very nice mounting options. Those are also available for the ISO booster, the Dragon ISO booster, and also for the FCE wrap, the field controller. Okay, now, and we have here, of course, the good old thermal breaker. Here an indicator that shows us if there's operation on the antenna. We have here an LED that shows us what's going on the PD input, here one what's going on the PD output. And these LEDs are showing us in which mode we are. Let's start with that. Okay, right now we start up and we are in wireless master mode. In wireless master mode, we receiving from PD and we air it on RF. So signal comes in here, signal goes out here. In wireless slave mode, signal comes in here, antenna, and goes to the PD output. And then there's third mode available, which is not wireless, but still can be very handy, is PD in to PD out. This is an isolating booster, cable to cable.